Hey, Joe.
What do you mean, Joe? My name is Roy.
Well, come here, Roy, and get groovy. You've been uptown?
No, I ain't been uptown. I've been around.
You mean to say you ain't been uptown?
No, I ain't been uptown. What's uptown?
If it's pleasure you're about and you feel like stepping out, all you got to shout is, let me up, uptown. If it's rhythm that you feel, then it's nothing to conceal. All you got to spill is, let me up, uptown. Juke joy, have joy, have joy. Where can a fella go to top it? If you want to pitch a ball and you can't afford a hole, all you got to call is, let me up, uptown.
Anita, oh Anita. So I feel something.
What do you feel, Roy? The heat?
No, it must be that uptown rhythm. I feel like blowing.
Then blow, Roy.